welcome to my channel and welcome to my new September vlog. Okay, wow, it's already September. Now that I say it, I think I'm not ready to accept this, but we got this. It's still sunny. Actually, here in Portugal, the weather has become so much better. In August, it was something like 37 degrees Celsius. Also, sunlight became so much better because this winter angle, making my room so much more beautiful. So as you can see so far, I love everything about my September, except the fact that winter is coming. What a beautiful sunrise. And look at this rainbow here. Wow. I don't know, am I the only one who is obsessed with this kind of morning light, with this kind of morning shadows? So let's go briefly over my plan for today, my first September plan actually. So at first I'm gonna do my usual morning routine. I'm gonna go running, heels by the way. Then I'm gonna do my cold shower, of course, after I'm having breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to a coffee place before I'm doing my groceries. Then I need to come back home to unpack all these beautiful things, and this is when my actual work day starts today. And about the interesting stuff, I will write down today all my September goals and my autumn goals in general. And also today I need to buy some new stuff for my home offices. I'm actually very excited about this renovation here, so stay tuned. And also in the evening we're going to check out this new spot with burgers and pizza. The place, it looks very nice, so wait for it. And we are ready to run. Look how windy it is. Oh, hello hills. My quick post-run fuel. I'm just obsessed with fruits. I love them so much. And for my breakfast, I'm gonna make a millet. I'm not sure that it's called millet. I think I've tried it before, maybe in school, or not school, but kindergarten. I have never cooked it before, and I'm very curious to try it. Although I'm also gonna eat later in a cafe, so I'm not gonna make too much of it, just to try a little bit. I actually have no idea how to cook it, but I guess I'll find it out. Just to make it a little bit more on the sweet side. While my breakfast is cooking there, I'm gonna go do my cold shower as promised. And as some of you may know, I do it every single morning, and I swear by this habit. It gives me a lot of energy for the day ahead of me. Energy that, it's very important, lasts for the whole day. And by the way, I told a little bit about the benefits of cold shower or cold plunge if you have this option in one of my previous videos. Foundation. This is the only one I have. It's basically foundation and concealer. I use it only as a concealer. And also what I love to do is to take this bronzer and to apply it not only on my cheeks but also here and on my nose here. So it gives you this tanned effect a little bit. My coffee shop slash grocery look for today. I am obsessed with this skirt because it has shorts inside, so it's very, very convenient. And it actually started raining. they don't have space outside for now, so we're sitting improvisation terrace. So the pleasant part is over, and now we're going to the groceries. And this is traditional Portuguese called bacalhau. It's salted. And they also have it in a fridge. Now I wanted to tell you a little bit about my office space and how I want to update it. As some of you may already know, my office room looks like this. This has been my only attempt to decorate it so far. And what I want to do is to put my standing desk here with some nice armchair. Here I want to put a not very big mirror, and here maybe I will put some plant, but probably the fake one. I'm not sure yet, but something needs to be there. And about the chair, I was thinking this one. So as you can see, I have huge plans on my office space, and it finally will look like a normal office space. So now all I have to do is to simply choose what I like, to order it, and to wait. By the way, standing desk looks like this. This is not mine, but I want the same size. I really like this one, so I guess I will buy exactly the same. So I'm really excited to see how it will look in the end. Stay tuned. Now I'm gonna go outside to have a dinner at this new cool place. It's more like a food court, and I think I'm gonna have some burgers. And here is my outfit to kind of match the vibe of the place we're going to right now. This is the entrance. So I've ordered one poke bowl, and tuna sandwich. And I'm actually very excited to try it because I've tried this tuna burger for the first time in Lagos in the south of Portugal, and I liked it so much there. So it's basically fried tuna with this potato bread from Madeira, which is typical for Madeira. First one, it's the burger. This one's to share. And here is my poke bowl. It looks so good. And here is a tuna sandwich, so I'm very excited for this one. This is how it looks inside. Guess what we're going to do right now? So close. I won it first. We also decided to play this game, and these are my balls. Yes, I won. I guess we need to write my name here on this table. Checking out the viewpoint on my way back home. So I'm already home and changed my clothes. It was a very fun evening and a very nice dinner. I love this kind of places. And now is the perfect time to write down all my goals for this month, for September, and for the whole season as well. And here, setting up my goals, I'm trying to be as realistic as possible. And I have only one main goal for this September, which is to read more and to read regularly. Because honestly, lately, it feels like I didn't have a lot of time to read with all my work project and my new YouTube channel. But of course, we all know that's an excuse. So my main goal for this September is to read more, to read at least 1 hour each day. And I want to read in general 2 or 3 books in September. If I have time, of course, more. And, in terms of work, I really want to come up with one new idea, with one new project, because it feels like I'm stuck a little bit, and I really want to create something new, something more refreshing for me, to keep it interesting, but mainly because I really want to code something. So yeah, I really want to refresh my knowledge a little bit. And also I really want to continue studying Portuguese and devote to this at least 1 hour per week. I know that it's not too much, but I'm learning this language mostly for myself, just out of curiosity, I can say, because I don't really need it in my day-to-day life. I don't need it in my work, and everyone in Lisbon speaks English actually. So in general, this month I'm trying to be as disciplined, as focused and concentrated on my work, and to be like the most productive version of myself that ever existed. As you can see, I have already started with my office setup. Late for me, and I wanted to say thank you so much for watching and for spending this day with me. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you want to see more of my future content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'm so happy you spent this day with me, and I'm sending you all my love. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.